How to restore old photos that are blurry, smudged, or scratched on your phone. First, everyone will need to download the Gemini app on their phone. This is for people using Android phones. Then go to the Play Store to download it. This is for people using iPhones. Then go to the App Store to download the Gemini app. After downloading the Gemini app, everyone will open the Gemini app. Tap on the plus icon. Select Gallery. Choose the photo you want to restore. Tap on Done. Restore the photo in the most realistic style. Then everyone taps on the arrow icon. Now we'll wait for the app to restore the photo. So the Gemini app has successfully restored the old photo. I'll check it. And here is the photo after restoration. And this is the photo before restoration. It's extremely realistic, isn't it? To download it, everyone will tap on the photo. Select Save. It's that simple to restore old photos that are blurry or scratched on your phone. If you find this video helpful or interesting, don't forget to give it a like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all very much. Goodbye and see you next time.